We're going to do swimming, which is almost like the reverse of the Pilates 100. So we're going to come and lie on our tummy with our feet out long and our hands above our head. Okay, so you want your shoulders kind of at the corner of your mat, and again, your nose is going to hover off the floor. So from here, you're going to press your pubic bone into the floor, let your legs reach long, and you're going to start to come up into that extension, bringing your arms and your feet with you. So you're really trying to pull your hands and legs in opposite directions. Now, when you're here, you're going to hold, and we're going to start to swim our legs. Okay, so we're going to paddle our arms and our legs, and you're going to breathe in for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, and inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going. And you want to really try and inflate your tummy with this. You're trying to stay up into your extension, and you're really trying to move your arms and legs from their sockets. So try not to let your knees bend. You're trying to come into hip extension, and you're trying to work those arms from your shoulders. And inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, and inhale. Keep going. And exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, and inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 more. And exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, and inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Last one. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. And come all the way back down again. Push yourself back into your child's pose.